Hi, my name is Bill Brenke, and I'm a salesperson at Briarwood Ford. I've been here at Briarwood Ford for 36 years. I remember the first car I sold, it was a Dodge Omni 1980. I like people, I enjoy it, and they become my family after a while, after I've been selling cars so long, with some of the families. Their kids growing up, and then I'm selling them, and then they got kids that are growing up too anyway. So I've been in the business for a long time. It's like a family thing, and I enjoy hearing all the stories about the grandkids and the people. I enjoy people. I have a couple dachshunds. They're Harper and Finn, and one's a year old, and she's a little Tear, and the other one is 2 years old, and he's a male anyway, Finn. I enjoy them, but they keep me going. So yeah, they make my life. Yeah, they're good. Hi, my name is Bill Brenke from Briarwood Ford anyway. If you're looking for a guy with experience, I've been here for 36 years. Got any questions, new or used, come and see me. I'll be glad to help you out.